Alright, morning. So it is today, 25th September, 8 a.m. and we got the rest of the mandem right there. We are on our way to a spider lily thing, so we're meeting up right about now. Hello there. You fresh, brother? Looking fresh, man. Eating breakfast, yeah.
Always fresh.
Put this thing. Yeah, even when you're still brushing your teeth, you already put that thing.
What's up? We are on the way to Saitama, an area just northwest of Tokyo, for a mountain called, can't remember. And there's a red lily spider festival also. We're a whole group doing the good way in a train, and then we have of course Ruben and Felix going by bike, 30 kilometers ish, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's see if they make it. Maybe not.
That was so fun. Refreshing.
I use the 100 coin 3 times. Only? Do you have enough? Because I have enough.
Can you? Sometimes, oh yeah, 100.
No, I don't think I have 100.
Okay.
Yeah. Right after I'll give
Asking
you back.
for chance just to have.
These where I'm like an addicted player.
Because since yesterday now I have so many 100 yen coins.
Here we go. H, ni, san. Okay.
Oh, which one do you get?
It's so hard to get. Which one is it?
Uncovery time, unboxing. And, oh, need to get this out.
Do you want that?
It's so complicated to take out.
I think it was the right way. Yeah, you just have to pull.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is this the one with the glass? Oh no!
Oh, I took the
with
DJ.
headphones.
The headphones.
Look at
Headphones.
That sounds cute.
Yeah.
Do you like it, bro?
Feel like a valuable investment. This will gain value because it's from Japan.
Okay, when my shoes from Hiwada.
Just buy it. I don't know why.
The last one.
I mean, look at these crowds, man. Why are there so many people? Can you explain?
Everybody just want to see this tiger lily. Wait, fuck, no, it's not tiger lily, it's spider lily.
So that was an interesting ride back here. I mean, back here, I don't know what I'm talking about. So first of all, the sun is getting to me, the heat is getting to me. That train was proper crowded. And other than that, the light went out, or the electricity went out in the trains.
Yeah, that was crazy.
That was quite fun.
It's very,
Do you have any comments on the train ride here?
Oh, it felt like a horror movie. Really. Like, we expected someone to disappear when the lights turned back on. Thank God everybody was here, but...
Thank God, man. Ah, shit, we had too many, bro.
But still, I feel like we're going to be a lot more faster than the...
That's the new thumbnail right there, man.
Isn't this tomatoes? I'd love to try some tomatoes.
Oh, look at that, man. We got men like Ruben.
Yo, it's the bikers. What's up? How was the bike?
So good, okay.
2 hours? 2 hours. I mean, we're doing it at the same time
some
because our
school
train was like
dancing.
delayed. Like the energy stop, all the lights turned
This is
off.
your bike or you're taking someone else's bike?
No, it's my bike.
Is it comfortable? It doesn't look so comfortable for a long
Look at my
ride.
house.
Let's go.
Wait.
People.
Well, are you guys going to park the bike? But we did see a guy just like...
I think it was in the club then. The guy was
Student discount, right?
Got a ticket. so pretty.
Oh, that is brilliant. It's very beautiful.
It
It's
is.
very beautiful.
Hello.
I love that how many people are out here with their cameras and taking pictures. And for me, it's nice just to spot like, all right, so we got some Nikons, we got some Canons, which ones we got. So I'm geeking out here. Some old school ones as well. And Jai got her film camera and her Canon with her. So we all just taking some pictures. I mean, it looks quite nice, but at the same time, it's the same on both sides. So it doesn't really matter where you are. I'm not big on flower photography, but it looks quite nice. I do want to take some more, but yeah, it probably takes a lot more effort for me to actually take something nice. Any comments for this trip until now? I mean,
This is amazing. Like, only in Japan you can see this.
Yeah, it's very. If you turn the light down, it's very dramatic, and you get a vampire vibe.
Truly, truly.
the part about you can only see this in Japan, is that true actually?
What? No idea.
Probably, I haven't seen it anywhere else.
No, me neither. Let me know if my camera is in your frame.
It's alright.
It's alright, I don't really care. No, yeah. Sitting on the bench here, taking some pictures. You've probably seen them because I'll overlay them probably. See?
For like 5 minutes, having
Yeah.
the pictures.
Yeah, we're the only one here now.
All the Japanese people are judging us right now.
We're just
don't
being
care,
very
man.
guiding.
Not one bit. I got the foreigner pass.
Wherever they are.
So who are we finding?
So we're trying to find Rasmus, Ruben, Stephanie, Louise, Felix, the rest of the gang.
We
except
lost the
three
gang.
of us. But look at the crowd. This is gonna be very
Hey, we found you lot.
Yeah.
Promoted the wrong community.
wrong community.
Oh shit. Why the wrong community?
That looks nice.
Yeah. Why do we have these?
Looks good.
This is actually so.
I think so.
You do it?
What do you mean by jury?
That's the one where they realize, oh, I can do shit now, and you know, because in the first period, like if they won, there's gonna be like.
In summer, everybody is walking, like showing their like daddy like beer packs, you know.
Beer pie.
The beer packs. I don't have the 6-pack. I have the beer packs.
A 1-pack.
The 1 big packs of beer.
So,
The beer pack.
If they're like grannies.
But it seems like there's more mountains on that one.
Yeah. If you make a one.
Ruben, I haven't interviewed you for a while. Whereabouts are we heading?
So there's a hike that the group want to do, which is what we're trying to figure out now. His phone's saying it's 3.5 hours, but we think it will be a bit quicker. And I think we're going to a temple. A shrine, which means it's a Shinto shrine, not a temple. Temples are for Buddhists and shrines are for Shintoism, which is a distinction you should really know if you're going around these places. And apparently there's a view of the city as well, which you'll probably find out later in the vlog.
It's old-fashioned.
Be old-fashioned, right? Let's just go
We're
wherever the
modern
wind
people.
takes us.
Go with the flow and
Exactly.
see how it goes. Oh, that rhymed. Guys,
Oh, that's why they keep on saying that.
You learn good Japanese.
So where is exactly like?
Oh, oishi oki chin chin.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I think it'll be going
I thought the word
that way.
you
No.
chose, but it makes sense.
That is right.
No, but like the thing is, like, this is what happens when traveling.
Whispering? Nothing. Oh.
This doesn't look too bad, does it? Hey! Oh my word, man like Ruben.
I was scared them back this way.
Oh, isn't it? Oh, it's okay. You can do it.
I don't care.
I just want to see him fuck up,
I like that, man.
Oh wow.
I kind of want to try it now.
Try it. I want a video of someone fucking up. So please just hold the way.
I'm gonna do it, bro.
Fuck up or?
Probably fuck up, boy.
Small fuck up.
Almost fucked up.
You're not gonna do it.
Nope, I'm not.
You're gonna do
The
it.
sun is nice now. Get up, take a picture, get down again.
I know, yeah.
That's why I came, man.
Oh! Oh, nice!
See, now you need to do it again so I can have the B-roll on top of it. Honestly, it's so stupid to take pictures with sunglasses on.
All your exposure is completely
Yeah, exactly. I'm looking. Oh, it's so dark. It's so dark, and then I take my glasses off, and it's like way too overexposed.
It's a little bit too fast.
But what? I'm not sure how much of that I got, but at least I got something.
Let's go.
A bit of drama here.
Cry, Ruben,
Just
cry.
so, bit of drama here. Yeah. I've been very confused. I just told you I'm going home, mate.
One what? Old traditional house. Can you explain a bit where are we?
So this is traditional architecture from the Heian period. I'm just bullshitting right here. I have no idea.
I think
There is no prize, so I guess it's free.
Let's go.
And everything that is free is good to take.
Nothing to lose. Do you know why you wrote this?
Okay, yeah. Welcome to my crib, people. Like today, we got like I don't know 500 square meters of just like pure Japanese culture, and
Oh, you're so good at
I'm like normally
It's just so cool in Beverly Hills to have something like this. She's so cool that she lets us over.
yeah. I mean like
You know, we
normally I just like
party.
invite I don't know, like a few hundred people have a techno party over here, like.
Yeah, we're super Japanese actually. We just do tea ceremonies.
No,
with,
it's like techno, but with
LSD,
yukata and kimono, you know.
psychedelics. It's incredible.
I mean, going clubbing in kimono or yukata would be interesting.
Yeah, I mean like the techno going on, like. Yeah, so that's my crib, man. I mean
Sometimes
like
they have sumo
we got like
wrestlers.
five bathrooms, 5.5 bathrooms,
The
2
New
walk-in
Zealand.
closets.
New Zealand.
Yeah, so like
But we sit on the we
Yeah.
sit on the floor though,
pretty similar to
Japanese
Singapore.
style.
Is this similar?
Disrespected. Disrespected the whole culture.
If it's really good and I missed something, please don't tell me.
We won't send you photos.
Say it was just another temple.
Well, safe right
Shrine.
back then.
Thank you.
Hiking trails in Germany is easier to find.
Well, I kind of lost sight of the trail, but yeah, we are in the forest, I think, on our way somewhere. Oh, back at the trail now. Whew, I'm not built for this, bruv. No, I ain't got the trainers on for it.
Oh, we feel like this is a hiking track because I feel like we're going more and more on
I guess it's a deadlock.
Go so off track.
I don't know how the fuck we made it, but we are here now.
Damn,
Look at my shoes, man. They're completely fucked now. You alright, Steph?
Oh,
that was intense. Escape the spider forest.
Jumping the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you guys are just following me. I'm getting all the spider webs.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. I'll give you a discount on the photos.
Valuable sacrifice. Oh, look, spider.
Bro, I don't give a fuck about them spiders.
Ginger is that way.
I'll make a
No, we can go here. There's 200 meters. There should be a torii gate.
Okay.
Need to bike there.
Good luck.
Pretty cool though.
Oh my god! You get a good shot of a spider here.
Oh, what?
That's horrible.
That's horrible.
Oh my god!
How big is it?
What the fuck? And so it continues.
Ay, 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 ay. What a shout.
That guy is running, man. Damn.
Wow. Party.
Yeah.
Run after them.
Oh no, I think we're fine.
Is it the top?
I thought you said that's a pub.
That's a pub.
Drinks?
Have a few drinks here. What?
Let's get us a few shots.
10 euros per picture.
Sorry, I just have to get up.
No, Louis, say that.
I mean, we're all going there after you take
Yeah, I'll just take over from here.
Want me to do further view?
And any comments on the hike?
Started off trail, great. Crossed the creek, great. Now made it to not the top, but with a torii gate. So cool, so cool.
Camera reception. So I can already tell this episode is going to be quite long, but I'm sorry. If you wanna see the view, you win some, you lose some.
I think like Ruben said like, yeah, now I'm gonna head out, and he's actually like waiting for us upstairs, just like sipping tea, and was like, hello lads.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, dearie.
You ready for the tea party?
Only you made it,
It's just with a beer like.
Everything we've been through, what about trust? You know I never wanted to hurt you.
Yeah.
I'm filming.
I was about
You
to
can
fall.
see if it's. You
Yeah.
can't really see. Where the fuck?
Yeah, it's
Alright, it's on my side.
It's like 1/4 left.
1/4?
Yeah, that's the way we just walked.
I mean, that's doable.
That's like the summit. We haven't like counted the way down.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Most accidents happen on the way down.
Can't we? Or do we have to go?
going this way.
We're going that way?
Let's go
I want to go the hard way.
It seems very fun.
Let's go the hard way, baby.
Look at Felix, follow him.
I'm following him.
Every time I do it.
Chasing the...
Oh, and also I haven't watched this movie. You know this movie called because nobody at the university said anything about that.
Yeah. We just received a random paper written in Japanese. I have no idea what I should do with it. So I have a national insurance card, but I paid nothing for it.
My card, I got it like on like a post came to deliver like.
They gave
deliver
it to
your
me right
card?
away at the city
Yeah,
hall.
City Hall service.
I skipped integration.
There's fucking sweat dripping down my face, man. So disgusting, cuz. To be honest, this route seems better than whatever we took.
Okay, so how do you?
I'll turn it around.
Hello, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. We're in the mountains right now. It's very wacky.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
thanks.
we're just recording this on behalf of the person that just went to the toilet.
Because Shazaib just sucks at vlogging, so I guess
Yeah,
we should
yeah.
just take over.
I think time to take over. Hey,
Time
from
to
now
take
on,
over.
this is our channel. Yeah, we officially claim it. Sorry, Shazaib. See you in the court if you want it again.
If you can comment the video link saying fuck Shazaib, it's very cool in the comments.
Comment below. Comment below. Don't forget to like.
Yeah,
Send it to your friends. Subscribe. Tell it to your friends to subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Hit the
Yeah,
like
hit the like
button.
button. And the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell. Ring, ring.
Okay.
Where are we then? It's force we can go.
What is it?
Free water refill.
Oh,
wow.
that's what I'm getting.
Next to the river.
Oh, crazy.
We can go in here if you want to.
There is a sauna. We can.
We can't go like I think it's cut off from the walking space. Hi, but we can sit in the trailer.
No, I was just recording you saying we can either sit in the trailer. Yeah, so right now we're at this really cool cafe right now. It is a family-owned cafe down by the riverside. They also have that trailer we can sit in. It looks really nice. There are women working here. I'm not sure whether she's the owner. She's a farmer here. And they also have fresh fruits and vegetables, juices that are fresh as well. and seems really nice. And surprisingly, we are a bit far from city and whatever, and people's English here is a lot better. So even the menus are written in Japanese and English. We were talking with her, Jai was speaking Japanese with her, but she speaks English as well, so that's really nice, really surprising to say the least. It looks really nice, family-owned business. I'm all for it, man.
What's happening?
She said the photos on the riverside is also really cool.
Wow, go full photo shoot.
So for the shit. It's so funny. We took on 700 photos today. 700.
Yeah, when they're coming.
Okay. No, but she's at me one wrong.
No, no, sorry.
From
Far away.
from Kuma.
Cheers.
From Koma?
From the train station.
I need a taste test
on
that.
This is not bad. This is good.
It's good.
It tastes European.
Is that good or is that bad?
It tastes European.
I like it. It is very healthy. You know, like the trendy
splendid.
food, Instagrammable food.
Nobody has a
It is
oven.
quite Instagrammable.
You don't have an
Very nice.
So what cake did you get?
Sesame. Sesame raw cake.
Ah, yeah?
I
In
got
Japanese, sesame no raw cake. Oh, fuck, how?
What you got?
I got blueberry raw cake. Japanese blueberry no raw cake.
My battery is flashing. I think it's about to die any minute now. Overall, I think she's done a really good job. And a lot of her values and teachings, whatever, I respect quite highly. And to me, the thing about
Things all around the city. Yeah. They have the same in Kunitachi and Kokutunchi. You're the chosen one.
Just hiding your
Pressure
face.
to put your mask on.
Yo, Pizza, do you mind explaining where we are, where we're heading?
I have no clue. We just switched like 5 trains. I thought we stopped at our station, but apparently it completely changed. So yeah, we're going somewhere. Hopefully home.
No, but I'm still copying it. Is it even recording?
Going.
See ya.